Welcome to our room tour. Let's go check it out. 3A, let's go. So as you see, we got a couple queen size beds. Well, that's a queen. This is probably a full. A little bit less, but got plenty of places to put stuff, and we're already throwing everything down. And we've got a nice AC blowing. So we noticed that there's no TV, but when you guys see what's outside, you'll understand why we don't care. There's no TV. Check it out. I know you guys don't even see that. These didn't come with the room. So again, more hanging place and drawers and all kinds of stuff. Let's see what this CR is looking like. Alright. Decent CR. We got the cabot over here and got a shower with the heater. That's kind of shaky. A little rocky. But oh well. As long as the water don't come out on the floor, got toilet, and then again a shower with the heater. So we are good to go. Let's try to see if there's any kind of view out these windows. We're on the back side of the room. We got a double room here. We're at the back side. So this is just facing the wall there. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything. See that sun there, so you know what's cracking. Can you see out there? Right there is the beach. So right out the door here, this side is the beach. There's the mamas. So it looks like a pretty clean room. Got towels. It's enough for us. So we're gonna get ready and go out there and hit that beach. So you guys get ready to join us. What's the name of this resort?
Anvy Resort.
Anvy Resort here in Glan Saragani, right? Did I say it right? Awesome. Thank you for watching. Check out the Rileys.